Hey guys, hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel, and if you have already been there with me from my recent past, then no more introduction is basically needed. So today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this red rose gold cut crease. So where I have put on some red colors and then I have cut my crease, and to decorate that cut crease I have put on a rose gold shimmer shade. So yeah, this is it. This is my entire look. And if you want to know how I have achieved this particular base makeup look, it's already live on my Insta handle. My Insta handle is @polumi_mimi, and from there you can check out this entire base makeup look. So if you want to know how I achieved this eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. So now as you can already see that I'm totally done with my base makeup, so I'll quickly start on with my eye makeup. And to start with eye makeup, the very first color or the palette that I'm going to take right now today is going to be my Colourpop Cosmetics Main Crease palette, which is this one. And taking this palette over here, I'm just going to select the very first color, which is going to be this one, Rose. So yeah, now taking this color over here, I'm going to put it onto my transition as a transition shade. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the color and place it onto like this transition area of my eyes using circular motion. Taking another dip, I'm just like, concentrating the color and then buffing it out. Today I'm going to take my color a little bit high, so I am blending it up till my brows, as you can see already. So yeah, that's the drill today. I'm just trying to create a nice tint of color or a hue of color, so I'm not taking a lot of color at a time, which I never do. I am like strictly against taking a lot of color at a time, because I feel like if you do that, you're going to get muddy and patchy blend. So never do that. Try to take a little at a time and work it out, and then go ahead with another flash of color. So now at this point, when I'm done with that color, I'm just going to go with another color which is going to be a little bit darker than that one, and I'm just going to put it onto my crease and blend it out. So I'm just going to take this color over here called Home Slice, which is this red color over here, and taking this color onto a small blending brush, I am just going to put it onto my crease. Now going back towards the brush which I took to blend that color Rose onto my transition, I am just blending the edges of this color. So now when I'm done with that color called Home Slice from my Colourpop Cosmetics Main Crease palette, I'm going to go towards my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and from this particular palette I'm just going to take like this beautiful color over here called Man-Eater. This is like a beautiful mauvish red color. So I'm just going to take this color onto my brush, and I'm just going to darken up my crease a little bit more. Taking the tiniest amount of color, I'm just putting the color onto my crease, and I'm just moving my brush backward and forward to create a nice depth onto my crease. So now when I'm done with that beautiful mauvish red color called Man-Eater from my Huda Beauty palette, I'm just going to go back towards my Main Crease palette, and from this particular palette I'm just going to take this color over here, this dark very dark color which is called Red Buttons, and taking this color over here onto a small brush like this, a very precise and small brush, and I'm going to put it onto my crease to give it a nice depth and dimension, like that extra amount of definition to the crease. So now at this point, when I'm done putting the color, what I'm doing is I am just moving my brush and blending the color into my crease. So now when I'm done with all the shades and colors, I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease. And to cut my crease, I'm going to use my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer, which is this one. It is in the shade porcelain 0.5, and I always use this to cut my crease. So today I'm also going to do the same thing, and I'm just going to take this and cut my crease. So now at this point, when I'm done with that cut crease, so I'm just going to go ahead and put on some glitters or shimmer shades onto this cut crease. And to do that, I'm just going to use my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. And from this particular palette, I'm just going to take, this beautiful rose gold color over here, which is this one. So taking this color over here, I'm just going to put it onto my cut crease. So I'm just going to start putting this color with my fingers, as these colors work brilliantly with the finger. So I'm just going to take this color onto my ring finger, and I'm like gently pressing the color onto my eyelid. So now at this point, when I'm done with that cut crease and putting that beautiful shimmery rose gold shade onto my cut crease, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back towards my main crease palette, and from this particular palette I'm just going to go back towards this red buttons color over here, which I took and outlined my cut crease. And taking this color over here, I am just going to put it onto the outer V corner of my eyes, onto like this area where I'm just showing you guys. So yeah, so that I get that nice outer V corner thingy. So taking the color, dusting off the excess, I am just like putting it onto this corner. So now when I'm done with that red buttons color from that main crease palette, I'm just going back towards my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and from this particular palette I'm just going to take this color which I chose a little bit ago, which was actually the color Man-Eater, which is this one over here. And taking this color, I'm just going to further blend this dark brownish shade. So now at this point, when I am done with that outer V corner thingy, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on some colors and do my lower lash line. So the first color I'm going to choose is going to be the color Man-Eater from my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and taking that color onto a small precise blending brush, and I am just putting that color onto my lower lash line and smudging it out. So now when I'm done with my lower lash lines, so I am left with this particular area. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that rose gold shimmery shade over here, which was this one, and taking that shade, I'm just going to put it onto that areas to give it that nice teardrop effect, and so that my eyes look a bit wide and opened up. So now at this point, when I'm done with everything, I'm just going to go ahead and put on some liner. And for my liner, I'm just going to use my all-time favorite NYX Epic Ankle Liner, which is this one, as you can see. So I'm just going to use this one, and I am just going to draw a nice winged liner sort of a thingy today. So yeah. So now at this point, when everything is nice and done, I'm just going to coat my lashes with some mascara. And for my mascara, today I'm going to use my NYX What the Hype mascara, which is this one. And I am just going to coat my lashes generously with this, and wiggling its way up from the roots of my lashes to the tip. I'm coating my lashes with this. Oh my god, I forgot to apply the mascara. I forgot to apply the liner on this side, and I just applied my mascara. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm just going to go behind the camera and put on my liner onto this eye, because otherwise they're going to look absolutely different. And I'm like thinking, why are they looking so different? So that's the thing. So I'm just going to put on some falsies, and I will be right back. So now I'm finally back after putting on my falsies, and for my falsies today I'm wearing my PAC M71 lashes, which were this one. So yeah, I'm wearing them on my lashes today. And on my lips I'm wearing my Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick, which is this one. It is in the shade Heartbreaker. So I'm wearing this on my lips. And on my cheeks today I'm just going to put on some liquid highlighters, and for my liquid highlighters today I'm going to choose my L'Oreal Glamour liquid highlighter, which is this one, and I'm just going to take a few drops onto the back of my hand. I'm not going to directly put it onto my face because that is not something I really can manage, because I have honestly after I have like dotted it on my face directly, I have always seen like close, you can see like the the dropper marks over here. So what I do is I take some onto the back of my hand, and then I go on with a beauty blender and just I dab it onto the beauty blender, and then I just directly put it onto my skin just like this. And now I'll be topping it with some highlighter, and for my highlighter I'm going to choose my PAC Spot Baked highlighter in the shade 02, which is this one, and I'm just going to top it onto the places where I have put my L'Oreal liquid Glamour highlighter. So yeah, this is it. This is my complete look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you guys have enjoyed watching this tutorial, then do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all.